All right, everyone. It is April 23rd, 2020. This is my 2020 container garden series. So tomorrow's D-Day. Here's the fully packed tent, which pretty happy. We got the bloom on the sunflower already. But these have been hardening off now for 6 days. They've been out 5 hours today. All the cool weather stuff, this is sink or swim time. These are all going to go outside in containers so I can move them if we're going to get real cold. Even the tomatoes back there, the beans. So this stuff has all been hardening off, and we're up to 6 hours it'll be tomorrow. And I've only been doing an hour increments since it's still kind of cool. So moving forward, we're going to see if that works or not. Okay, this will be brief because it's raining out, but what we're going to do, just like it was sink or swim for the plants downstairs in the grow tent, these ones are out now to the point where they were out 5 hours today, so they are all getting potted up into something a little bit bigger, and sink or swim for them too. They're going to be outside the full time, and it's all cool weather stuff, so they should be okay, and let's see how they do. And now that I got everything back in under the grow lights, now tomorrow will be April 24th, and tomorrow starts the day we are going to harden off everything. Peppers, whatever. I'll do that over a week. Within a week, most of our days should be over 60 degrees. Nights are going to fall down to the 40s. I can just bring them in since I'm doing everything in containers. And if any of them die or don't produce, we got the rookies here coming up. So we won't be on any shortage of peppers. We'll just got to jockey around now all those plants, what I'm going to do if I only have 30 containers. And then I got to negotiate with my wife where they're going to go. All right, see you next time.